Most organizations have already spent years building their data, with warehouses, lakes, and dashboards, and the information is all there. What has been missing is a layer that can reason over it the way your best engineers do, and turn it into a decision you can defend. Lumina is that reasoning layer. It weaves your data together with the logic your experts have built and turns the two into organizational intelligence. To see what that means in practice, imagine a few questions from the field. Imagine an integrity engineer facing millions of pipeline inspection rows who asks which digs this season buy the most risk reduction per dollar, and Lumina clusters the interacting defects and proposes the program. Imagine a manager weighing a turnaround deferral and seeing the lost production and the compliance exposure before committing. Imagine a vibration signature on a pump, where Lumina estimates the remaining useful life and schedules the repair before the bearing fails. And with every question like these, the agents are learning, so each answer builds on the reasoning that came before. Now imagine those insights never vanish when the work is done. They are engraved in the agent's memory and become part of your organizational intelligence, an understanding of your operation that keeps compounding and stays with your team, inside your organization. Lumina is built on the Dialogue Intelligence Framework, an architecture shaped by more than 25 years in analytics. Instead of building another dashboard, you ask a question in plain language, specialized agents reason through it, and the analysis runs locally on your own data. Every answer carries the reasoning and the query behind it, so your team can trace exactly how a conclusion was reached. What truly sets it apart is what happens to that reasoning over time. It begins with memory. When a senior engineer reasons through a problem with an agent, that judgment is captured and shared with the whole organization. The intelligence your people generate compounds over time instead of resetting with every report, and it never retires when they do. For that intelligence to be trusted, your own expertise has to stay in your hands. So Lumina draws a hard line between the model and your logic. The AI does the reasoning, while the rules, thresholds, and standards your experts spent years building live outside the model, owned by you. Change a rule and you change the behavior, audit a rule and you audit the system. That logic is your intellectual property. And just as your logic stays yours, so does your data. Lumina runs where your data already lives. The engine works inside your own environment. You decide what, if anything, ever reaches a model, and you bring the model you trust, from a frontier cloud model to one running entirely on your own servers. You choose how your data interacts with AI, from cloud-assisted all the way to fully air-gapped. On that foundation, Lumina gives you a head start. It ships with a growing library of more than 50 specialized agents, each tuned to a real role across energy, industry, and finance, so you are productive on day one. When you need something specific, you can build your own agent without writing a line of code. And when a decision is hard, your agents debate it in the boardroom and resolve the conflict, so the answer you act on has already survived scrutiny. Together, this changes the return on analytics for the whole organization. Your engineers get an analyst that does the digging and shows its work, which lifts their productivity. Your managers get faster, defensible answers that reduce the risk in every decision. Your executives see it in higher output and lower cost, and the organization keeps that intelligence as an asset that grows the more your teams use it. You have already invested in powerful tools that generate your data and in the infrastructure to collect and store it. Now it is time to break down the silos of knowledge and combine the expertise across your organization into a single organizational intelligence for the benefit of everyone in it, so you can stop gazing at countless dashboards and start building your organizational intelligence fabric. Bring us a dataset and a hard question, and request a demo.